These are two types of potter's ribs which we can use to smooth out any of the ridges or increase the curves. This is a wooden rib, and we can use that on the inside curve, and this is a metal rib which we can use on the outside curve. So what we start doing is get the wheel going, and with your left hand using that wooden curve to push out slightly, your right fingers are supporting that as you go up the side of the piece. And again, when you get to the top, you're taking your hands away slowly. Cleaning off the excess clay, we can go back with the wooden rib and again pressing out with the rib. Right fingers are pressing in to support, and each time we're smoothing out that curve and extending that curve a little bit fuller. We want to have a nice flowing curve with no flat spots. Same technique can be used going in the opposite direction with the metal rib. Starting at the bottom, pushing in slightly, your left fingers are pushing out to support, and we're just moving up the side of the bowl.